Hey there everybody. In this tutorial today what I'm going to cover is the copy command, and I'm going to show you the copy command using grips. Alright, so what I have here is I have an example drawing that's going to be a good drawing for us to represent the copy command. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to come over to this circle here on the left, and I'm just going to grip the circle, and I'm going to right click, and that's going to bring up a shortcut menu. And if you can see in the shortcut menu, copy is one of the choices. So I'm going to pick copy. And usually the first thing copy wants to know is a base point. It needs a point of reference as where you're coming from. Okay, so I happen to have my O snaps on, and center is one of my O snaps. So if you'll notice as I hover my cursor over here, it's picking up the center O snap. So I'm going to pick that, and that's going to be my base point. Now you can see that's kind of the point that the cursor is now referencing as a base, okay? And basically this, I can just pick to copy these circles wherever I want. This is kind of just a freehand copy, okay? When I'm done, I'm going to do an enter or a right click to get out of the copy command. Okay, so that's one example of copy. Now, if we want to be a little more accurate and use copy with O snaps, I'm going to show you on this example here how we can do that. So again, I'm going to grip the circle, and I'm going to right click, and I'm going to pick copy selection. And again, it asks me for a base point. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to pick the center of this circle, or the intersection of the two lines. It's the same point. So I'm going to pick that as my base point. And now with my O snaps on, I can go to the intersection of these other lines and accurately copy that circle to those intersections. Okay? And the last example of copy is I'm going to show you how to copy something with ortho specific distance. Okay, so I'm going to actually grip this whole entire box here, and I'm going to right click and pick copy selection, and I'm going to come down to the status bar and put ortho on. Okay, now again it's asking me for a base point. So I'm going to pick this lower left corner as my base point. And if I move my cursor to the left or to the right or to the left, I can also move my cursor up or down. Notice my ortho is restricting my cursor movement. I can actually push the mouse in the direction I want to go and then type in the distance that I want it to copy. So let's just say I want to copy that 8 inches. So I'm going to do 8, enter. And it kind of keeps wanting to copy, but I'm done, so I'm going to do another enter to exit the command. Alright, so let's check and see if that really did copy 8 inches. So I'm going to go from base point to base point, and there, I've been able to copy something in one direction 8 inches. Okay. So I hope that helps you with copy. The move command works a similar way, and except it doesn't create a copy, but it works similar. And if you have any questions, let me know. And until the next tutorial, that's the copy command.